Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by syncing to your Google account so contacts are captured automatically. Go to Settings, Open Accounts, tap your Google account and toggle Contacts Sync On. This uploads recent changes to the cloud. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi and the battery is above 30% to avoid interruptions. Once synced, verify by visiting the Contacts app and choosing the account filter. You should see cloud icons or recent timestamps. If not, force a sync and watch the status change. Next, export a VCF file so you have an offline copy that works with any service. In Contacts, open Settings and choose Export. Pick internal storage or SD card and confirm the file name. This creates a single VCF that contains all selected contacts, useful if some entries aren't in Google. Once done, copy that file to your PC or upload it to Drive for redundancy. Make sure you remember the folder path. You'll need it if you import elsewhere or restore later. To finish, test restoring from both cloud and the VCF file. In Contacts, choose Import, pick the VCF and select your Google account as destination so items sync back to the cloud. Once restored, use the app's Merge tool to remove duplicates. If something goes wrong, sync errors, missing names, clear the Contacts app cache, force stop, then re-enable sync, or remove and re-add your Google account. This usually fixes permissions or token issues without data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.